अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 40. Topic number 55. Shakti-dvayavat Ajnanopahitam chaitanyam Swapradhanataya निमित्तं सोपाधिप्रधानतया उपादानं च भवति. Author presenting the important topic, that is Srishti Prakaranam, how this Srishti take place. One of the most interesting topic. We see the whole creation, but we do not know how it has come. What is the reason? Generally people do not know. For that, Shastra alone is the Pramanam. Through Shastra alone we can come to know how this creation has come. For that, the author presents Chaitanyam is there, consciousness, Chaitanyam is there. When that Chaitanyam associate with Maya, when that Chaitanyam associate with Maya, that Maya alone is called Ajnanam. Maya, other name is called Ajnanam or Avidya. Or we can call it as Karana Prapancha or Karana Shariram. Ittana name irukku. Karana Prapancha or Karana Shariram. Karana Shariram, Avidya put together. Karana Prapancha, Maya, total level. Names are same but standpoint. From total standpoint, macro standpoint, Maya and this Ajnanam are synonyms. Karana Prapancha and Maya are synonyms. From micro standpoint, that is Vyashti standpoint, Vyakti, Ajnanam, that is Karana Shariram plus Avidya or Ajnanam. These are associated with Chaitanyam. That's what he says here. Maya is called, it has got two powers. Maya has got two powers. One is Avarana Shakti. Number two is Vikshepa Shakti. Avarana Shakti and Vikshepa Shakti. Avarana Shakti is called veiling power in English. Avarana Shakti is called veiling power, covering. Vikshepa Shakti is called projection. Projection. Avarana Shakti is the cause, its effect is Vikshepam. What is the example? Rope snake. The rope snake, when you are not seeing the rope as rope, that Manda Andhakara is covering your vision. You cannot see the rope as rope. that is called Avarana Shakti. Rope is covered. With what? It is not covered with anything, but your vision is covered from the rope because of semi-darkness. Avarana Shakti. Next, what happens? That Avarana Shakti create Vikshepa Shakti, projection. You look at that rope as a snake. That is projection. Snake is my projection. Either snake or water stream or garland, something or other you see, but not rope. So Vikshepa Shakti, projection, which is not there. Projection upon the rope. Similarly, there is only Chaitanyam because of Maya in Drishtanta Manda Andhakaram, semi-darkness. In Darshtanta, Ajnanam or Maya. Maya Karyam, Ajnanam, that is the reason for Avarana and Vikshepa. What is the substratum here in Darshtanta? There is rope. In Darshtanta, Atma or Brahman, Chaitanyam. Brahma Chaitanyam is the substratum. Upon that rope we saw the projection is snake. Here, upon Brahman, what is the projection? Nama Rupa Prapancham. So, on the example, Nama Rupa Prapancha, I project. That is called a Vikshepa. My projection. Upon what? Upon Brahma Chaitanyam. Brahma Chaitanyam means I project. Brahma Chaitanyam is covered. Brahma Chaitanyam you cannot cover because it is infinite, all pervading. How can you cover? Sun cannot be covered. He gave the example in previous topic. Ghanachanna drishti, ghanachanna markaha. Even though sun is all pervading, cannot be covered, when the cloud comes upon that sun, your vision is covered. Your vision is covered from that sun. Sun is not covered. Similarly, Brahman is all pervading. Chaitanyam Brahma is all pervading. It is as though covered because of your ignorance. That's what he says. Look into the 55. Shakti Dvayavat. What are these Shakti Dvayam? Two Shaktis. Avarana Shakti, Vikshepa Shakti. Not Kriya Shakti, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti. We should not take that Shakti. Here, veiling power and projecting power. Shakti Dvayavat. Ajnana Upahitam Chaitanyam. That Chaitanyam which is enclosed by, Upahita means associated with. Chaitanyam associated with what? Ajnanam. Ignorance. Maya. Chaitanyam swapradhanataya. From the standpoint of Chaitanyam, swapradhanam na Chaitanya drishtya. Anartha. Chaitanya drishtya, that Chaitanyam associated with Ajnanam, it will become the cause of this creation. What type of cause? Nimittam. Intelligent cause. Two causes are there. Brahman is the Karanam. Bhagavan the Karanam mani solram. Bhagavan alone is the Karanam. In religion they say Bhagavan is the cause of this creation. In philosophy you have to say what? Brahman is the cause of this creation. In religion they say Saguna Ishvara, Bhagavan is the cause. And Saguna Ishvara nu chonnalum, இங்கே பிரம்மன் சொன்னாலும் ஒண்ணுதான். பிகாஸ் ரிலிஜியன்ல நிர்குண பிரம்மன் புரியாது. they cannot understand. அங்க என்ன சொல்லுவான்னு பகவான் சொல்லுவான். in philosophy it comes நிர்குணம் பிரம்மா, அதே பரமாத்மா நிர்குணம் பிரம்மா. என்ன காரணம்? நிமித்த காரணம், இன்டெலிஜென்ட் காஸ். தென் ஸ்வோபாதி பிரதானதையா. what is the upadhi of this brahman now? ajnana upadhi. ajnanam புடிச்சுண்டு இருக்கேன் பிரம்மன். that it ajnanam is there. பிரம்மனுக்கு அஜ்ஞானம் கிடையாது. Brahman is associated with ajnana. That sopadhi, ajnanam or maya, karana sariram or karana prapancha. Swa upadhi. Swapradhanatayana chaitanyam, swa upadhi. What is upadhi? Ajnana. Swapradhanamanna by himself, the Brahman by itself. Swapradhana. Upadhi enna Maya. So Swapadhi Pradhanata. Pradhanataya means predominantly, from the standpoint of. Pradhanam from the standpoint of. Upadanam cha bhavati. Upadana karanam. Ajnanam Maya drishtya Brahman alone upadana karanam. From its standpoint, it is nimitta karanam. Appo Brahman alone is nimitta karanam. Brahman alone is upadana karanam. What is nimitta karanam? Intelligent cause. What is upadana karanam? Material cause. So, intelligent cause plus material cause, what comes? The whole creation comes out. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we'll read the next topic, 56. So Chaitanyam plus Ajnanam before the creation are inseparable. Just as the person and his shadow are separable or inseparable? No, konja neram I can keep my shadow separately. Is it possible? They are inseparable. At the same time, another point we have to remember, shadow is real or unreal? Who is real? Person is real. Shadow is unreal. Even though it appears, but it is not real. Similarly, Brahma Chaitanyam is real. And that Brahma Chaitanyam who is associated with Ajnanam is like a shadow, unreal. These are all corollaries. You can't read in commentary books and all. This is, you have to understand. Brahma Chaitanyam is inseparable from Ajnanam, but Ajnanam is unreal. Ajnana products. What? Dukkham. Prapancha, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, Ajnana Karyam, Ragi, Dveshi, Dukhi, Sukhi, all emotional problems, ellame Ajnanam unreal irukkumbodhu, Ajnana Karyam real unreal. That means all problems are unreal. You don't give importance to the shadow. Are you arguing about the shadow? You are very short, you are long, you are fat. Are you arguing with that? Who bother about shadow? Who will bother about shadow? Nobody will bother. Similarly, Jnani never bother about Ajnanam, Ajnana Karya, Shoka, Moha, Raga, Dvesha. He will not bother. Adida Phalam, Jnana Phalam. Now let us read 56. Yatha luta tantu karyam prati स्वप्रधानतया निमित्तं स्वशरीरप्रधानतया उपादानं च भवति. He gives example, well-known example, very, very familiar example from which Upanishad? Mundakopanishad. Lutanna Purnanabhi. Ange Luta ni sollala, adanal ella solla mudiyala. So Luta means spider. In Mundakopanishad, one mantra he has given here in the text. Yathornanabhisrujate grinhati cha. Yatha, in the first line podum. Okay, we need not go to other lines. Purnanabhiyanna, the spider web. How the spider brings the web from its, the thread, thin silken thread that comes from the spider. It says, Yatha, just as, Luta, spider, Tantu karyam, Tantu means thread. How thick that thread? Sometimes you cannot see with your eyes. Karyam means a product. Thread is a product from the spider. Appo vaai tharundu answer sollana mullama sollalam enna mind engeyo poidu illenna. The subject also koncham terse subject enna lip movement avudhu shaddama sollame konjam lip movement avudhu panna namakku nalladhu panna koodadu actually lip movement panna koodadu shabdamu panna koodadu. When I ask you can tell. It distracts others otherwise. Once in a while, not every class. Appo LKG class madri aidum. Every class you open and talk, distracts. Once in a while, whenever I ask, silently you have to do the lip movement. Your response should be there. Tantu karyam prati swapradhanataya nimittam. So in creating that thread from its mouth, that is the product from the spider. Who is intelligent cause? Spider is the intelligent cause. What an intelligence, no? No engineer can construct. Appa, so many engineer college, civil engineer, electric engineer. ఇప్పుడు engineering world, no? ஒருத்தன் வந்து இந்த ஸ்பைடர் வெப் மாதிரி நீங்க ஏதாவது பண்ணப்பான்னா ஹேண்ட்ஸ் அப், அவ்வளவுதான். என்னமா ஸ்பைடர், என்னோட ஸ்மால் ஸ்பைடர். வாட் அன் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் டு கெட் ஃபுட் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி ரைட் பிளேஸ். எங்க பூச்சி படுமோ கரெக்டா அங்கே பண்ணுவான். நம்ம இன்ஜினியர் தண்ணி வராத இடத்துல வீடு கட்டுவான். Where there is no water, where nothing is there, no resource they do not know. But spider knows where it can get food. What an intelligence. That's nimittam, intelligent cause. So this like this, when you see the nature, your ego will come down. The moment you see the nature, like the spider webs, how the nests, birds' nests, intelligently they construct. And our ego will come down. Ahankarame poidum. Once you see the vibhuti. Then, swasharira pradhanataya upadanancha. How to create another intelligence. Spider is the cause. But that upadana karanam for the spider web, what? Thread. Where from it comes? From shariram. Swasharira pradhanataya upadanam. Material cause. The spider uses its intelligence, nimitta karanam. The spider uses its thread from its mouth, upadana karanam. That is material cause. upadanancha bhavati. அது எப்படியோ இது அப்படி. Just as the spider is the intelligent cause as well as material cause, similarly Brahman is intelligent cause in creating the creation. Brahman is the material cause with Maya. It's Maya, it creates the whole creation. Maya is the upadana karanam. Brahman is the intelligent karanam. This point you don't get anywhere. Throughout your Vedantic study you have to remember this. Brahman from its standpoint is intelligent cause. Brahman associated with Maya standpoint, it is upadana. Maya is the upadana karanam. Brahman is the intelligent cause. Maya, another corollary. Maya cannot create the whole creation by itself. Maya can be activated by Brahma Chaitanya. Just as the spider web, the thread cannot, by itself cannot become the web. Thread, that silken thread which comes from the spider mouth, by itself it cannot become the web. And the thread ni web to change, the spider is required. எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்க பாருங்க எக்ஸாம்பிள். அந்த த்ரெட் வந்தாலும் கூட it can become by itself web? No. But what is required na spider intelligence it has to use. Similarly, Maya, Ajnanam, it cannot become the creation by itself. This Maya has to be used by Brahma Chaitanya. That is called consciousness. Brahma Chaitanya அங்க இங்க பார்க்க கூடாது. I, the consciousness with my Ajnana, means that Maya projection, I create the whole universe. But after create பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணும்? We forget we have created. Just as the dreamer, waker, after creating the dream, forgets that he has created the dream. And he screams. Creator of the dream has forgotten he is the creator of the dream. என்ன பண்ணுவான்? Screaming in the dream. So creator of the dream became creature. Spelling is very, very close. Creator became creature. ஏன்? Forgotten. Forgotten. என்ன சக்தி? நித்ரா சக்தி. There Nidra Shakti, inge Ajnanam, Vikshepa Shakti, Avarana Shakti, illa Nama Rupam, I, the consciousness alone is the cause. Marandita. Urunala, Runala, Janma, 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 forgetting. That's what he says. Next topic we'll read. Topic number 57. तमः प्रधान विक्षेप शक्तिमत् अज्ञानोपहित चैतन्यम् पहित चैतन्यात् अज्ञानोपहित चैतन्यात् आकाशः आकाशाद्वायुः वायोरग्निः अग्निरापः अद्भ्यः पृथिवी च उत्पद्यते एतस्मादात्मनः आकाशः सम्भूतः इत्यादि श्रुतेः. Very important portion. You see, the Prakarana Grantha study how it It is very important. Bhagavad Gita and all, Bhagavan Krishna won't say all these things. I am only the cause of this whole creation, Pudhivi, Vishwasya, Dharini, everything he says. Eppadi enna? You care of Upanishad. Upanishad also goes beyond, above our head many times. But Acharyas, out of compassion, and the Shruti Smritila irikkiradhe, or clearly they present here with the examples. That's a Prakarana Grantha study is very, very important. Unfortunately, the students who are studying, seekers also, they come to conclusion. I am a Gita student. I am a Upanishadic student. I am a Prakarana Grantha student. What Shastra says, you must be a Prasthanatraya student. Prasthanatrayam padikkanum. Edo onnu padikka koodadu. Then only you will get the total vision, clarity. Clarity in your understanding. Crystal clear understanding is required. Look into the topic. Tamah pradhana vikshepa shaktimat. This vikshepa Shakti has got predominantly tamas, tamoguna. The Vikshepa Shakti Tamoguna enna connection enna? Simple only, but I need not explain all this. But anyhow, Romanalachi Tattva Bodha Padichi, yes, I have to explain. Maya has got three gunas: Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Since Maya is the cause, material cause, whatever is there in that karanam, rajoguna, tamoguna, sattva-guna, one guna should come to this karyam. This Vikshepa Shakti is because of Maya. Avarana Shakti, Vikshepa Shakti are the products of what? Maya or Ajnana. Since they are the products of Maya, Maya has got three gunas. If it is Sattva Guna Pradhanana, Vikshepa Avarana varad. Rajo Guna Mannalum kuda varad. Enna Sattvam Jnanam. Rajo Guna Kriya, activity. But in the error, Adhyasa, superimposition can be produced only when there is Tamas Pradhanam. Tamah Pradhanam. That's why when a person becomes Sattvic, Tamas will go away. Prakasham. Sattvam Prakasham, Lord Krishna compares. Wherever Sattva Guna, Sattvic nature is there, there is a learning, knowledge take place. Where there is Tamoguna Pradhanam, no learning, dullness. Once the dullness, learning is not there, purive puriyadu, and the Tamogunam predominant enna ardham? Tungu munji en ardham. Either sleeping or sleepy. Who will get knowledge? Waking person or sleeping person or sleepy person? Wakeful person only get knowledge. Not sleeping person or sleepy person. Half sleep. That person also cannot get knowledge. Similarly, Ajnanam is, when person is in Ajnana means he is sleeping in ardham, according to Shastra. Ajnanam tamas karyam. Tamah karyam. Tamoguna pradhanam. That is why all errors, superimpositions we do. Shastra says, just come out of tamoguna slowly, tamas to rajoguna, rajoguna to sattva-guna. Slowly you will be free from vikshepa avarana. Adikada ashtanga yogam. Asana, pranayama, dhyanam, all to remove this tamoguna only. Even vratams, puja, anushtanam, meant for what? Punyam varum. Adu vere. Surusurupu varum. Thookam poidum. Therefore, all temples on the mountains they construct. இந்த படி ஏறி போகணும். இப்படி ஹெலிகாப்டர்லனே போனா அதே தமஸ் போக மாட்டேங்குது. கேதார்நாதன் ஹெலிகாப்டர். Those days people used to remove this tamas by early morning cold water bath. You have to take early morning. Now what we are doing? People are doing 10 o'clock hot water bath. எப்படி தமஸ் போகும்? அந்த சில்ல வாட்டர் மேல பட்டாதான் அந்த தூக்கமே போயிடும். Then you have to do Ashtanga Namaskar, Pradakshina. By that time you will become so alert. That is why people in meditation also they sleep. Meditation எப்படி தூக்கம் வருதுன்னா நம்ம குணமே போல. How a person can sleep in meditation otherwise? தமோ குணம் போகாமல நீ என்ன மெடிடேஷன் பண்ண போற? நல்லா தூங்குவேள், அவ்வளவுதான். பிபி குறையும். நாட் தியான பலம் won't come. Let's say people are not ready to do hard work. எல்லாம் சோம்பேறி ஆயிட்டோம். எல்லாம் இது எதுக்கு சுவாமி, இதெல்லாம் வேஸ்ட்னு சொல்றேன். First you have to remove your tamo guna. Be active. Then reduce that activity, become sattva pradhana. Because of this tamo guna, tamah pradhana vikshepa shakti. Projection is because of tamas, tamo guna. It is the product of maya. So karana gunaha karye anuvartante. That what are all the characteristics are there in the cause, they percolate into the effects. Vikshepa Shakti Matu Jnana Upahita Chaitanyam. Ajnana Upahita Chaitanyam. Matu means endowed with. Matu. Matu plus Ajnanam, Madajnanam. Ajnana Upahita Chaitanyat. இப்போ சிருஷ்டி வருது, அதை அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க with red line, red ink. Ajnana upahita chaitanyam. That chaitanyam which is associated with ajnanam, which ajnanam is predominantly tamah pradhanam, which tamah pradhanam is the cause for projection, that projection alone is creation. Snake is projected by you. Snake is created by whom? On the rope. Myself. Rajju ajnanameva sarpasya janana karanam. Carefully understand. Rajju ajnanam, the ignorance of the rope alone is the cause for the birth of snake. Ignorance of the rope. Rajju ajnanameva sarpasya karanam. Sarpa jananasya karanam. Rajju ajnana எங்க இருக்கு? In my mind. So what I did, I projected the sarpa. அது மாதிரி பிரம்ம அஜ்ஞானம் ஏவ. Once I forget the Brahman, இந்த பிரம்ம அஜ்ஞானம் என்ன உண்டு பண்றது? அந்த உபஹித சைத்தன்யம், பிரம்மன் is the chaitanyam associated with அஜ்ஞானம். இந்த அஜ்ஞானம் என்ன பண்ணும்? If I forget the Brahman, this அஜ்ஞானம் creates the akasha. Akasha, that's as chaitanyat akashaha udbhavati. Akasha means space. Desham is there. Where are you? I am in Chennai. Or projection. Who is in Chennai? I am in Chennai. That means you are not in Bombay. I am in Chennai means I am in the place where that name is called Chennai. Space. You are in which place? From which place you are? சொல்லக்கூடாது, நான் ஆத்மா ஐ மீன் எவ்ரிவேர்னு சொல்ல மாட்டேன். Anybody asks, from which place you are coming? I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Ange pochi. Projection 1, number 1. Number 2. Are you Iyer or Iyengar? Second projection. I am Iyengar. Continues. Number 3, number 3rd projection, 4th projection, 5th projection. Oduma. Or projection leads to many projections. Are you working? No. I was working. Now what? I am retired. Kala has come. Desha has come. Kala has come. Who projected that? Chaitanya Sahita Ajnanam. But really speaking, Desha, Kala are not there. I am in Bombay also. I am in Chennai also. I am in Hyderabad also. What? Chaitanya. But what I have taken, this Ajnana, Nama Rupa I have taken, and I am confined to Chennai. I am confined to what? Sunday 5:30. Sunday 5:30 க்கு முன்னாடி or 50 years க்கு முன்னாடி நான் இருக்கேனே இல்லையா ஆத்ம சைதன்யம் 70 years before இருக்கு. பட் ஆனாலும் 70 years இந்த டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த் வச்சுட்டு I give time principle. So from Akasha it starts. Akashat Vayuhu. Then air principle. Kaat. Akashat Vayuhu. Where is this Vayu? It is in the space. Vayu means what? Air. Air principle. This air principle is existing where? In space. That is why we say Akashat Vayuhu. Akashathilirindi Vayu vandadu. Then Vayu, in that Vayu there is Agni. Then Agni comes. Where is this fire? Fire is also in the space. So Vayu is also in the space. And Agnehe Apaha. Ippada Apaha vandachi. Water, rain water. நம்ம கிரியேஷன் பற்றி படிக்கிறவன் பகவானுக்கு தெரியும். அதுதான் rain has come. Where from it has come? In the space. அக்னேஹே ஆபஹா. ரொம்ப உஷ்ணமா இருந்தா இன்னைக்கு நல்ல மழை பெய்யும் சொல்லுவோமோ இல்லையோ. இன்னைக்கு ஒரே ஹீட், டெம்பரேச்சர் இஸ் ஹை என்ன. Definitely today rain will come. Today air is more, therefore rain will come சொல்ல மாட்டோம். Today காத்து ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்க மழை பெய்யும்னு சொல்லுவோமா? உஷ்ணம் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்க மழை பெய்யும். அதுக்குதான் அக்னேஹே ஆபஹா. You cannot argue with Shastra. புரியுறதா? இன்னும் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லணும்னா, when your body is உஷ்ணம் ஜாஸ்தியா இருந்ததுன்னா உடம்புல என்ன வரும்? ஸ்வெட்டிங். அப்ப நல்லா தெரியும் பாருங்க, ஸ்வெட்டிங். Why? Because of Ushnam, the perspiration take place. Because of heat in the body converted into Ushnam. ஆவிரி ஆகி அதே ஆவிரி தண்ணியா மாறுது. என்ன ஸ்வெட்டிங், எப்படி ஸ்வெட்டிங் வருதுன்னு. அதே விண்டர்ல வருது அதே அந்த ஸ்வெட்டிங். ஆர் யூ கெட்டிங் தட் ஸ்வெட்டிங் இன் விண்டர்? விண்டர்லோ யூ ஆர் வேரிங் ஸ்வெட்டர். Then it's correct or not? Agnehe apaha. Apaha na waters. From fire waters comes. Then from apaha what comes? Prithvi. Adbhyah Prithvi. Adbhyah means from waters. Chaturthi vibhakti. Ap nitya bahuvachanam. Apam apsu అని వరు. అద్భ్యః అద్భ్యః అపాం అప్సు. అద్భ్యః పృథివీ comes, earth comes. పృథివీ cha means and. Cha means not another creation. Cha means and. Utpadyate, they all born from where? Chaitanyam. Chaitanya, what type of Chaitanyam? That Chaitanyam which is associated with Ajnanam, Ajnana Sahita Chaitanyat, Akasha, space, Vayu, air, Apaha, Agni, fire, Apaha, waters, from waters, Prithvi has come. Author says, this is not my Swanta Sahityam. This is already said in Taittiriya Upanishad. Etasmad Atmana Akasha Sambhutaha. Taittiriya Upanishad. Brahmanandavalli. Second chapter. Tasmadva etasmad Atmana Akasha Sambhutaha. Akashadvayuhu Vayoragnihi Agnerapah Adbhyah Prithvi Prithivyam Oshadhayaha Oshadhibhyonnam Annat Purushah. We are all born from what? From Aushadham, because of food. Food is born out of earth. Earth is born out of waters. Water is born out of fire. Fire is born out of air. Air is born out of Akasha. Akasha is born out of Brahma Chaitanyam. Simple Brahma Chaitanyam is not the cause. Eppadipatta Brahma Chaitanyam? Ajnanam. Maya Sahitam. So, since Maya, Ajnanam is unreal, Chaitanyam is real, Maya Karana Moolama Vanda in the whole thing is real or unreal? Appa, over Vedanta. Ninga veetukku polam. Ippo padikkiradella bonus da. Okay? Whatever you are studying, it is a bonus. Come to the class. After getting Jivan Mukti also, we can study. It is a bonus. You can enjoy the scriptures. Nothing wrong in studying different texts. After getting knowledge, also you can study. Priyada? Now, Purushaha. I am telling. Ityadi Shrutehe means many Upanishads talk about this. Tadaikshata Agre Asit Atma. So he says, now you see, Chaitanyam plus Ajnanam is the cause for creation. The body. Now in the body la, and the rundu karanam irka illaya. This body mind complex is the Nama Rupa Srishti. We are in part of the Srishti. We are all born. The born body mind complex la enna irkanum? Ellame irkanum. Prithvi irkanum, Agni irkanum, water should be there, fire principle should be there, Akasha, we are occupying space or not? We are in space. Akasha is there, Vayu is there, Agni is there, waters is there, and Prithvi is also there. How do you know Prithvi Angirika Swamini manne illi anna? Supra ippuda kudichittu vanda anna. See, your body is made up of minerals, chemicals, which are nothing but idli, dosha, kira. All of them are made up of from earth only. Magnesium. That's why doctors give what? Deficiency, calcium deficiency tablets. Magnesium tablets. All this body is made up of magnesium, calcium, carbohydrates, all these chemicals. Chemicals are, these carbohydrates are nothing but earth principle. Earth principle. That's why any imbalance comes, immediately they give from outside tablets. Iron. Iron is from the earth only. So they give that iron to you when you have deficiency. So therefore, once this is the product of Brahma Chaitanyam and Ajnanam, both must be there here. So I means what now? Consciousness plus Ajnanam. Clear? Ada OC and RC. RC ki da Ajnanam ani peru, OC ki da Brahma Chaitanyam ani peru. புரியறத why Swamini says always OCRC, OCRC? இதுதான் காரணம். We are all born, whenever we say I am, that is a mixture of Brahma Chaitanyam plus avidya or Maya. When I say I am, OC plus RC together I am, which is one is real, which one is unreal? OC is real, RC is unreal. You want to own up real one or unreal one? You want to wear fake gold or real gold? Who wants fake gold? We don't want. That is unreal, fake, அஜ்ஞான காரியமான இந்த உடம்பு மனசு நான் இல்லை என்று சொல்ல. இது ஒரு ஷேடோ. Who am I? Original, real, eternal, single one principle, non-dual, Brahma Chaitanyam, Aham Asmi. Aham Brahma Asmi. Eppo? All the time. Aham Brahma Asmi. How beautiful scriptures teaching, Simple? Vedanta simple? Very, very simple, you see. Next topic, 58. Teshu jadyadhikya darshanat tamah pradhanyam tat karanasya tadanim sattva rajas tamamsim कारण गुण प्रक्रमेण तेष्वाकाशात् उत्पद्यन्ते आकाशादिषु उत्पद्यन्ते okay. He is elaborating how this tamoguna pradhanam, he says. How do you know it is tamoguna pradhanam? Especially this physical body is predominantly made up of tamoguna. Sukshma shariram made up of rajoguna some extent. Karana shariram is also sattva guna, but this body is full and full tamoguna. Enna jadam. This is jadam. The more grosser, the more tamasic. The more subtler, the more sattvic. The more sattvic means the more subtler, subtlest and artha. The more grosser means more tamasic. What is grosser, what is subtler? Grosser one is that which you see. Sthulam, you can see. Subtler one is that you cannot see. Sukshmam. That which you can see is called subtle, subtler, subtlest. That which you can see is grosser, grossest. Gross, grosser, grossest. Adilone superlative degree. Grossest. Prithvi is the grossest entity, element in the creation. Akasha is the subtlest element. In this jadam, they are all jadam by themselves. Inert. If you remove the chaitanyam from these elements, they are all inert. I-N-E-R-T. Inert. Jadam. Jadyadi. Teshu means among these Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi. Teshu, among them, Jadyadhip, Adhikya Darshanat. They are predominantly, Adhikya means predominantly. Akasha is Jadam. Vayu is Jadam. Water is inert. Jadam means inert. Inert matter. Jadyadi. Jadasya bhavaha jadyam. Darshanat. They are appearing as jadam, inert. Pradhanyam tat karanasya. So, you see, Prithvi is the grossest. That means tamas is more an artham. என்ன அப்புறம் பிருத்திவிக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்தது. அப்ப நமக்கு எவ்வளவு தமஸ் இருக்கணும்? That's why Swamini, often we sleep. That's why many times we don't understand. என்ன கவலையே பட வேண்டாம். இதுக்கு made up of tamas. But very few people cross over the tamas. By abhyasa, sadhana, they will become slowly sattvic. So, tamasika pradhanyam tat karanasya. Tat karanasya means maya, ajnanam is that karanam is tamasika pradhanam. Tamah pradhanam, ajnanam. Ajnanam is always compared to darkness. Why? Yesterday I am talking in Gita also. In tamas, darkness, you cannot see anything. In darkness, you cannot see anything. Similarly, when you have tamoguna predominantly, you cannot understand anything. That's why however much you study, your knowledge is limited. இது புரிஞ்சா அது புரியலையே அது தெரியலையேன்னு இருக்கும். I know everything. Can you say? ஏன்? அவ்வளோதான். அதுதான் லிமிட்டேஷன். Even the scientist, gold medalist, specialist, you go to orthopedic doctor, what do you know? You know about the skin and it is not my department and சொல்லிடுவான். You go to ENT specialist, do you know about this பல்லு பத்திரி and I am not a dentist and சொல்லுவான். You go to a plastic surgeon, do you know about the bones? He says, I am not an orthopedic surgeon. He says, as though great. Really speaking, that is what I don't know about that and ardham. The more you do specialization, it shows you are having a limited knowledge and ardham. நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம்? ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட், ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் இன் வாட்? ஐ சர்ஜன்ல ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட், நாட் ஸ்டமக், gastroenterology ஏதோ இருக்கு இல்லையா? All this is done by another doctor. This doctor cannot do anything. He says, அந்த டாக்டர் கிட்ட போன்னு சொல்லுவான். This is not my department, you go there. Specialist and anardhana, having very, very limited knowledge and ardham. Joke இருக்குல்ல? Specialist and skin deep knowledge and ardham. அது மேல போகாது அவருக்கு. Dermatologist என்ன தெரியுமோ? Dermatologist is one who is having skin deep knowledge. He knows about the skin. அந்த ஸ்கின்னுக்கு கீழே என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு டீப்பா போவார் அவர். அது skin deep knowledge is called dermatologist. He do not know about the nervous system. And you will talk another doctor, urologist, kidney. ஒரு கிட்னி பாகத்துக்கு ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட், யூராலஜிஸ்ட். யூரின் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே கிட்னி தானே சம்பந்தம். அந்த கிட்னி ப்ராப்ளம் பார்ப்போன்னு ஒரு டாக்டர், அவர் யூராலஜிஸ்ட். அந்த ஜிஸ்ட் போட்டாலே நெஃப்ராலஜிஸ்ட். இந்த மாதிரி என்னப்பா எல்லாம் லிமிட்டெட் தான். That is why tat karanasya, because of that tamah pradhanam, every person's knowledge is limited. Who is limitless? Jnani. Jnani alone has got limitless knowledge. Other than Jnani, wise person, all are otherwise people, they have limited knowledge. Tadanim sattva rajas tamamsi karana guna prakramena teshu akashadishu utpadyante. That gunas come one by one Akasha is little bit sattvic, then Vayu is sattvic some extent. How their gunas, Prithvi has got 5 gunas. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Water has got 4 gunas. Shabda, Sparsha, Rasa, Gandha. And Agni has got 3 gunas. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa. Vayu has got 2 gunas. Shabda, Sparsha. Akasha has got 1 guna. Shabda guna. The more it knows so many gunas, the more tamasik anardam. Puriyada? Adu we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi